In this video, we're going to teach you how to use our 3-step HEMA-free structured gel manicure system. Our original construct has 18% HEMA, but we do know that some clients and techs suffer from HEMA allergies, so we've developed a HEMA-free formula clear construct as well. The first step in any successful nail service is always prep. After prepping your cuticle and natural nail and ensuring your length is appropriate for a structured manicure, cleanse the nail thoroughly with Fusion Cleanser on a clean lint-free wipe. Next, we're going to apply Bond. Bond is our air-dry nail bonder that works like a two-sided sticky tape to ensure success and a proper bond between natural nail and gel. Now we're going to move into our HEMA-free construct. HEMA-free construct comes in clear only at this time. Apply the construct from cuticle to free edge, making sure that you detail the cuticle and sidewall areas. Gel follows gel, so you want to make sure that this application is done as precisely as possible. Go back for a second bead and apply in a U-shaped structure. You want to go back and forth from side to side with gentle pressure, pulling the gel down the nail to the free edge. One little trick and tip that we like to try is using our Fusion detailer brush to just gently detail around the cuticle and the sides for the best result. Once you've cured this for 60 seconds in your Fusion lamp, wipe the dispersion layer with a clean wipe with cleanser and detail your sides and free edge. Because we are going to move on to gel polish application, we are also going to buff the surface of this nail. However, if you were just doing a clear overlay and your application was precise, a lot of times you don't even need to file. Remove the dust and cleanse with Fusion Cleanser before moving on to your gel polish application. In this video, we are using Fortify Gel Polish number 9, a beautiful cherry red. Apply your gel polish in 1 to 2 coats using firm pressure for the first coat and a lighter pressure for your second or subsequent coats. This gel polish is highly pigmented and doesn't always require 2 coats, but we always recommend your first coat be a little bit translucent and your second coat for full coverage and opacity. Cure between each coat for 60 seconds in your Fusion lamp before moving on to your top coat. The final step to our HEMA-free structured gel manicure system is our shiny top coat. This is a beautiful tack-free top coat that doesn't yellow and contains 0 HEMA. Apply from cuticle to free edge, ensuring that your top coat is nice and smooth and shiny. What it looks like when it goes into the light is what it will look like when it comes out. Once you're happy with your application, cure for 60 seconds in your Fusion lamp. Once fully cured, detail the sidewalls and the free edge to ensure a perfect finish to this beautiful gel manicure.